Hello, my name is Camilo. I am 10 my years old and like my family today I will tell you little about my daily routine every day. I wake on my 6 the morning, get in place for the next day, the brush my teeth and approximately 6:20 I breath my healthy food, the present that I would owe my grandmother for my daily walk, coming back, shoulder and dress, all my organize my studies, city, carry out school commitment, I form had my sister the her my many morning setting near watch television we were in the 11:40 my mother service is lunch to be at 1 o'clock on time in virtual class and environment in Phoenix to my teacher and like the hobby was with my grandmother and my mother do like electricity in my body. I hate watch the nurse consulted the classroom platform and finally go to sleep.